All rise for His Honor Dumbledore.
This court recognizes today the crimes of Nicole Girard that took place on the 29th of October 1990, at Williams Lake in the province of British Columbia. You committed the second-degree murder on the person of Kevin Steele contrary to Section 235 of the Criminal Code. The Crown may now proceed with opening statements.
The accused Nicole Girard is here under a charge of second-degree murder of one Kevin Steele. This occurred via gunshot to the head from behind on the 29th of October, 1990. There had been reports beforehand of a struggle, and afterward, declared her guilt. As such, under law, murderer like this needs to be fairly punished.
The Crown may proceed with its case.
Witness 1, Constable Kelstead.
Yo, take a look at these pics, they sure do show that crime scene, yeah boy.
Witness 2, Kim Kendricks.
They were my neighbors, and boy are they always loud. They were partying at night until, like, 1:30 in the morning. I heard Kevin Steele and Nicole Girard yapping about nothing important. Then it turned to shouting and Nicole screaming like she was getting beat or something. Then it went quiet for a bit before there was a really loud gunshot. I went to the window to look but I couldn't see nothing. Then I heard what sounded like a child crying and Nicole runs out of the house screaming he punched me in the face. And I killed him. You guys are my witnesses. You guys are my witnesses.
Witness 3, Ken Cato.
Rooster? Yeah, he was my best bud. We used to drink beer, shoot pool, shop, grab 'em by the beep together, that kind of thing. I was at the party and they'd been drinking lots like everyone was, and they got into another fight like they always did. Nicole was always a snotty idiot to me, honestly. Rooster isn't such a demon guy. Just misunderstood. Whenever they started to fight, it'd always leave. Sometimes though I'd actually see them punching and slapping each other, and poor Rooster would have scratches everywhere, man, it was crazy. Nicole usually looked pretty beat too. Actually, a month before my poor comrade was shot, Nicole had threatened him with that same stupid gun, saying, "Touch me again and I'll kill you." Pretty spooky of her. Rooster sometimes threw her into walls and stuff, but she always fought back just as hard. I always told Rooster it'd be smart to find a better girl. Too bad he didn't listen.
Witness 4, Constable Stevens.
When I arrived, she was crying. She told me that I didn't mean to do it. My partner went inside and saw the corpse of Kevin Steele. I chartered her and told her, "Let's go," before putting her in the car. I remember while driving she was crying and holding her head. She said that he kept beating me all the time. I couldn't take it anymore. I hope he lives. I really love him. I'm too young to go to jail. He told me he was going to kill me when everyone left. Back at detachment she was fingerprinted, photographed, and she called a lawyer that showed up at 4:30 hours. We recorded the statement. She seemed genuinely upset about Kevin Steele's death and cooperated with myself and the other officers. She requested to be allowed to attend his funeral as well, if I remember right. Alright, the defense may now make their opening statement.
The accused Nicole Girard intended not to kill Kevin Steele, but to protect herself. There has been a documented history of mental and physical abuse towards the accused from the deceased, proving that her mental state was vulnerable. As such, she should not be charged and be given the help she needs.
The defense may call its witnesses.
Witnesses 5 and 6, Dr. Holmes and Dr. Lancio.
Nicole had come to my office a total of 8 times from June 26, 1987, to December 1, 1989 with very severe injuries, commonly associated with someone who is abused.
In my professional opinion, Nicole killing Kevin Steele was a reflection of her catastrophic fear after allowing more than 3 years of a very chaotic and brutal relationship. The killing happened in a moment of fear when she had believed that her own life was in danger and felt the need to defend it. This on top of the alcohol and marijuana she had smoked was enough to cause this horrid accident. She had a victim mentality, and Kevin was manipulative in order to keep her.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, after careful deliberation of the evidence and how it applies to the law, come to a conclusion.